Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Switchblades, cocaine, got boy click, nigga, O'Shea. Blackbird, black coat, got boy click in the back of. Switchblades, cocaine, got boy click to my saute. Black jeans, got black coat, got boy click in the castle. In high school, I was a loner. I was a reject, I was a poser, multiple personalities, I'm bipolar, I swear I mean well, I'm still going to hell. Witchcraft, love chance, whisper in my ear, put me in a trance. Cocaine, all night long, when I die, bury me with all my ice on. Witchcraft, love chance, whisper in my ear, put me in a trance. Cocaine, all night long, when I die, bury me with all my ice on. When I die, bury me with all my ice on. When I die, bury me with all the lights on. Lights on, night lights, clothes off, baby, I got good wine. When I die, bury me with all my ice on. When I die, bury me with all the lights on. Lights on, night lights, clothes off, baby, I got good wine. Clothes off, baby, I got good wine. Tell me a secret, and I'll tell one of mine. I just wanna talk, I don't wanna fight. Ask me if I'm alright, do you want me to lie? Switchblades, cocaine, got boy click, nigga, O'Shea. Blackbird, black coat, got boy click in the back of. Switchblades, cocaine, got boy click to my saute. Black jeans, got black coat, got boy click in the castle.
$15 amp EG IGN SRS airbag. That guy comes out there, so that way we can prime it. We're gonna be priming this bitch soon. Mike's working on putting the actual fuel filter on. We got 2 gallons of fuel in the car. We're pretty much closer. We just pretty much need those fuel lines on. I'm gonna do last checks, but we'll need to burp power steering fluid, coolant, and we'll probably likely need to add oil after all said and done. We are missing a bracket here, unfortunately, but otherwise, sheesh. Reason why we took the fuse out for that is so that we don't get spark. We want to make sure those oil cavities have been maybe emptied for the longest time or whatever. Get full. Oil pump, we want all oil pressure. We want fuel pressure. We want everything perfect before we spark it, and then we'll spark it. That's why we take that fuse out, because that fuse does not allow you to spark the car, and everything will turn over. So you can turn it and that way. So that's how I'm doing it. But yeah, you can see we just got to put the battery in after we finish up the fuel lines, and then burp some stuff, and she's pretty much ready for a tune. It's actually not. Something's not right.
No fuel yet. No fuel yet. Wait a minute. I keep looking like something's spitting. I don't know where it's coming from. I know it's not fuel because we're not getting fuel yet. Reset. Cycle the switch and see if you can hear the motor on the fuel. Fucking dinger go away.
I don't know why the seatbelt light's flashing. It's something simple.
Didn't you have this entire car there?
Yeah.
Like you had the other car?
Yeah. So there's something
That's why.
in here.
Somewhere.
Like a gremlin.
Somehow it ain't right. Somewhere.
Like it
Maybe
could be-
more than one.
It could be.
That's weird. pumps were, the fans were working perfect.
Yeah.
Yesterday, same fucking issue, same battery, the whole works.
We're talking about how both my cars are officially not working right now. That's all.
Okay. I could print it up here in large letters, but you won't even look. Subaru sucks.
Oh God.
Burn them.
But we tried this first day. We got a valiant effort. We got the bay all secured and everything's in the car. And I'm gotten some flashing on the seatbelt light. But sorry I didn't get it started yet. I guess it'll be a clickbaity video. I have a few videos in the tanks here, but we're gonna, because I'm still working. But yeah, hey, sorry it didn't start, right, Mike? Mike.
Why? I'm trying to put tools away. Yes, I'm sick to death it didn't start.
I think you're tickled pink, motherfucker. All right, so, but yeah, we're having a good time. We got some plans in the works for this Friday, so we're gonna probably just I'll work on it a little bit tomorrow, but that's this video. If you enjoyed this video, hopefully you find it insightful on how to kind of prepare your car to run when you've done a swap, even though it's not running, but I don't care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. T-Crick Media signing off.